is how to disassemble your tube solution bird feeder. All three models are built the same way, so they come apart the same way. I'm going to use the Squirrel Solution 200 to show you how. So we'll start with the top, just turn it and remove. With the base, there's actually an indicator right here that you need to squeeze the tube right above this arrow right here. And the same thing, just turn and remove. And with the seed port, again, you have to squeeze the tube slightly above the seed port, squeeze it in, turn the port, and remove.